gonna start with this eye first, applying the shadow like so. So now that we're done with this, you know, color, I'm going to be adding a darker color. So this is more of a burnt orange. I'm going to be using the same type of brush, but a clean one. So, and the color I'm going to be using is Alert right here on the outer my eye. Okay. So now I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, now that first brush that I used for the first shadow, I'm going to grab some more of that rush color right here. The first eyeshadow, and I'm going to put it up here just to bring that color out a little more up here. Okay, I'm going to be cutting my crease, and I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Yellow, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna apply some on the back of my hand. Okay. So you want to make sure that they're practically the same. There are these type of glitters. There's from Miss Metal from the brand Italia. And these are some of the colors I have. I have like 4 or 5 more. So I'm going to be using this gold one here. And it's in the color I Do. So I'm going to grab some and put it on the back of my hand. Right here. Luxie in number 246. And it looks like that. So it's this thin. So now what I'm gonna do is add a darker shadow, and for that I want a fluffier brush like this one, and this is a Wet n Wild one, Siren, which is like a plum burgundy, kind of like with a tint of brown. It's more plummy. So I'm just gonna dab it there. Okay, and dab, 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 and then blend. So on the back of my hand, I'm using that same concealer that we used to cut the crease. Okay, same flat brush. Okay, same thing with the other eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some liquid liner, and the liquid liner that I'm going to be using is this one from Ico in the color black, and it's the skinny one. Okay, so just like that. I'm going to apply some mascara on my lashes before I put on my falsies, and this is the What color is this? Okay, this one's Bryn in Rich Black from Drive Cosmetics. I'm gonna be using the glue. It's called Star Glue. Okay, so I went ahead and applied some lashes. The lashes that I'm using are from More Us in the style 3D01, and they look like this. Okay, so for my face, I'm gonna be using this travel size daily moisturizer, and it looks like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more moisturizer, and this one is the coconut cream water, coconut water cream from First Aid Beauty, and this is a travel size as well. And oh my god, I love this product. I'm almost out, and I'm gonna go get another one. Okay, so after that, I do like to add some pore filler because I do have big pores, guys. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. Notice my pores have gotten bigger ever since I became a little more oily for my skin, which is weird because I've always been like super dry. Now I'm like combination and like super oily around my T-zone, so that has made my pores appear even larger. I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. And this is the travel size one. So I like to add some in my nose, because there's times that I have a pore or two like visible in my nose as well. I'm trying a new foundation. This is the second time that I'll be using it, and it's the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Foundation, medium to full coverage, and it looks like this. So this foundation, I mean, it's kind of dry, but if you use enough moisturizer and primer, you know, it does help with the foundation. So I'm applying a little bit. Now I think I mismatched my color, but we're gonna make it work. Using my $1 billion brushes, foundation brush, and it looks like this.
I don't want to look like a motherfucking ghost, but obviously it looks way more lighter on camera than it is in person. I look like a fucking ghost on camera, but that's not how it looks.
What I like to do after is spray some of my Mario Badowski facial spray in rose water. Just make sure you blend everything really good. Okay, so what I like to do next is I like to add a little more coverage. So I like to use a pressed powder foundation, and I'm going to be using this Beauty Creations flat brush like this. I like using, one of the ones that I like using is this one from Pure Cosmetics, and is in the color Golden Medium. So is this one. It's a travel size. Press it on the skin. I don't like to swipe or anything. I feel that moves my foundation around. Now what I like doing is adding some bronzer. And the bronzer that I like using is this one from MissElvaG. Glamour Dolls. And it's in Bitten. So it looks like this. It's a travel size too, I believe. And a look like this. How much I love it, guys. I'm like almost done with it. And the brush I'm using, I'm sorry guys, is the BH Cosmetics 114. The BH Cosmetics title's practically gone already. So I just bring this here like so. Okay. So that's what I like to do. I like to pat and then blend the color upwards. So grab some more on the other side. And then blend it upwards. And I feel like that helps with the application because you're not moving your foundation around, you know what I mean? So add some top of my forehead. I'm gonna be using this brush and it's from Beauty Creations. It's like this, kind of pointed. So what I like to do, just dab it to the product a little bit, sort of around here. This is the RTMA powder and I keep it in this container here. With this fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics, number 8. And what I like to do is just bring it down like that. Okay. So now to get rid of it, obviously just flicker it. And I'm just going to be pushing up just to blend that contour. Go over it with my beauty blender. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it settles in. Now we're gonna move on to blush, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics number 113. The blush that I'm gonna be using is from Milani and it's in the number 005 Luminoso. Pretty sure there's a lot of people out there that love this blush. I love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it to the apples on my cheeks. Okay, and then I do like to, whatever I have left on my brush, I'm gonna continue under my eyes, and I'm gonna be using a brush like this. And this one is from BH Cosmetics number 10. And I'm going to be grabbing the color Rush and Alert. So what I'm going to be using is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. I'm going to be using the Sonia Kashuk brush. So I'm just going to add some, I'm going to dab it and a little bit. I love this highlight, guys. And now I'm going to be adding some mascara to the bottom of my lashes. Okay, so after I'm done with that, I'm not applying any black liner today. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to go ahead and add some highlight to my nose. The brush that I use is this one. Is a 35E from Farah or Farah. I think it's Farah. It's like that. And I'm going to be using that same highlight, Precious Petals from Wet n Wild. So dab it a little bit on the nose. Down the bridge of the nose. Feather it a little bit. Cupid's bow. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some lip gloss. And this is from DLS. So I'm going to apply some. Okay, so we're just gonna end it with our setting spray. And the setting spray I'm gonna be using today is from Slay All Day, and it's in, which one's this one? The coconut one. So we're gonna spray ourselves a bit with this. I love it. It smells like coconuts. It smells really, really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested on seeing any more videos like these, please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Like this video. Leave me a comment down below if you want to do so. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time.